In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Monday dependency column error. Open your browser, go to monday.com, and log in. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click your workspace. From there, open the board where the dependency issue is happening. Now go to the dependency column on that board. Move your cursor over the column header so the three-dot menu appears. Click the three dots. Then click Settings. In the drop-down, choose Customize Dependency Column. This opens the Settings panel for the column, where you can see the current dependency mode and the time column that the dependency column is connected to. In that panel, click the column drop-down under the Time column selector. Reselect your Timeline column. Even if it already appears to be selected, click it again to confirm the connection. Then review the dependency mode shown in the settings. Flexible shifts dependent dates only when they would overlap with a predecessor. Strict shifts all dependent dates whenever a predecessor moves, so the spacing stays exact. No action shows the dependency relationship visually, but it does not move any dates. Choose the mode that matches your workflow. If you need dates to adjust automatically, select Flexible or Strict. Then click Save. At this point, the dependency column has been reconfigured. Try setting the dependency again to see if the generic error is gone. If the error continues, stay on the same board and check the timeline column for missing dates. Scroll through your items and look for any timeline cells that are empty. This matters because dependencies only work when every linked item has a timeline date range. If even one item in the dependency chain has no dates, monday.com cannot process the relationship correctly. Click the empty timeline cell for the first item that is missing, Dates. A date picker will open. Set the start date, then set the end date for that item. After both dates are selected, click outside the date picker to confirm. Move to the next item with an empty timeline cell and do the same thing again. Click the empty timeline cell, choose the start date, choose the end date, and click outside the picker to confirm. Continue through the board until every item involved in the dependency chain has a complete timeline value. Once all missing timeline dates are filled in, the dependency column can calculate date shifts correctly again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the problem is still there, the next fix is to remove the existing dependency column and add it back fresh. Go to the dependency column header again, click the three-dot menu, and choose Delete Column. When the confirmation prompt appears, confirm the deletion. This removes the dependency column and all of its existing relationships. Now add a new dependency column. Go to the far right of your column headers and click the plus icon. From the menu, click More Columns to open the column center. In the search field, type Dependency. Say it naturally as you enter it, Dependency. When the dependency column appears in the results, click Add to Board. As soon as the new column is added, the configuration panel opens automatically. In this panel, choose the dependency mode you want to use. Flexible is the option selected in the original workflow here. Then open the Time column dropdown and select the Timeline column. After that, click Save. Now you need to set the dependency relationships again. Find the empty dependency cell for the item that depends on another item. In this board, that item is wireframes. Click the empty dependency cell for wireframes. A sidebar menu appears. In that menu, select the predecessor item. In this board, that predecessor is Research and Discovery. Once that relationship is set, move to the next item that needs a dependency and repeat the same process. Click the empty dependency cell, wait for the sidebar to appear, then choose the correct predecessor item. Continue until all required dependency relationships have been added back. Once that is done, the dependency column is freshly configured with clean relationships. The error should now be resolved. When you set or modify dependencies, the column should accept the changes without showing error messages, and dependent item dates should shift correctly according to the mode you selected, either flexible or strict.